It creates a headache if your email account is not properly organized, and on a daily basis, you are bombarded with loads of emails, thus creating a lot of junk in your inbox. But don't worry, there is a solution. In this video, I'll show you how to create, customize, and apply Gmail labels effectively, helping you regain control of your email. Now, the first things first, let's create a label. Labels in Gmail are like digital folders, helping you organize and categorize your emails with ease. Now the Gmail account is in front of us and we're going to create label. Now on the left hand side, you're going to see a plus button. It says create new label. Click this and another window has opened. It says new label. Please enter a new label name. I would like to write down my main label as family. There you go. Now there's another option, nest label under. What exactly this is? This is actually a sub-label or a subcategory, or you may call it as a nested label that can be created under the main family label. But however, right now we are only going to focus on creating the main label. So once you have written family, create, click create button, and your label is created with the name family. Once you have created a label, it's time to customize it to fit to your needs. You can choose a color, add sublabels, and even create filters to automatically label incoming emails. Now we have successfully created a family label. Now it's time to add color to your label. That is going to make it more attractive. So go on the left hand side, put a cursor on this label, family. Once you put a cursor, these three dots on the right hand side are going to be visible. Click those and there's going to be list of options available over here. So there's a top option called as label color. Click label color and you're going to see there are already presets given by the Gmail itself. You can choose any of the preset you like, and you can also choose a custom color, and you can remove color as well. So right now I would like to choose this particular preset, that is red RGB 2517647, and let's see what happens. Look, your label color has been changed to red. Now if in case you need to remove the color, go back over here and you can remove the color likewise. Okay, now it's time to create sub-label, subcategory, or the nested label under the main label, that is family, that I already explained in the earlier that we are going to cover on later on. So now to create a sub-label, you need to click this plus button again. Over here, right on hubby, and then under the hubby, you will need to check this option called nest label under, and then select that family label. Once that has been selected, click this create button and you're going to left hand side, you're going to see that the sub label has been created successfully under the main family label. Now you have multiple options with you. If you just put the cursor on this hubby label again, you're going to see the three dots over here. Over here you can change the label color. You can even edit it, rename it, remove label, or add another sub label. So for that reason, let us choose another color, that is blue. Now it's the time to create filters. Now filters are very easy to create. What are the filters? Gmail filters. Now what happens that whenever any email with a specific criteria, if you apply that criteria, that particular email address is going to be filtered, and likewise we can apply a specific label as per the criteria. Now for that reason, to create a filter and a label itself, we have to go again at the top, that is a search mail, and we're going to see there is an option called as show search options. Click this and a window opens in front of you. Now, for example, you need to filter an email address that belongs to a specific person. You may call it as a hubby, and we just click this one over here. And once it clicks over here, then we're going to click this button at the bottom called as create filter, and another window comes in, and that window gives many options in front of you. So one of the options at the fourth option is apply the label. So we're going to check this box, and then we're going to choose a label called as family oblique honey. Now this is the family is the main label, and this family hubby is the nested label. So we want to choose a nested label. Click this one, and then we go down at the bottom option called as also apply filter to three matching conversations. Now what happens is that Gmail is already filtered the three emails as per the criteria that we have mentioned earlier. So for that reason, we are going to click this option, and then we are going to click this create filter option, and our filter has been successfully created. Now, if you see, go back in the inbox. In the inbox, you see that the family hubby has already been created. So if you go back in family hubby, if you click this, you're going to see three of the emails that belongs to a specific criteria email address has already been applied with a sub nested label called as hubby. But wait, there is more. Did you know you can also apply multiple labels to a single email? If true, these features allow you to categorize messages into multiple topics or projects, further streamlining your organization process. So now we are going to apply multiple labels to multiple emails or vice versa. Now, for that reason, what I'm going to do is if we just look at hubby, you see that if you click hubby, all the three specific emails are coming. But if you click family, you see these emails should come, but unfortunately, the family filter, the family label has not been applied to all these sub-nested labels. And for that reason, what we're going to do, we're going to go to hubby. You see that once all these three emails have come in front of you, click this option, and then over here there's an option called as label, either symbol with a name label. And if you click this, you're going to see all those labels, those are there, already been created. Now we're going to choose family, and once family is checked and once you apply, look, now the family label has already been created. Now if you go back to inbox, you're going to see the family and the family hubby, both labels, both the main and the nested label is has already been created. And if you go towards hubby, you're going to see the three results, and same as the case if you go to the family, you're going to see the three results as well. So there you have it, creating, customizing, and applying Gmail labels effectively. With these tips and tricks, you'll be a Gmail organization guru or a master in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing.